Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can send a gift message in Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chat section, people, and right here you're going to find stories. So right now, go ahead and click on chat. Then here you're going to find all of your conversations. For example, I'm going to click on this conversation. And then once you're here inside of the conversation, here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to send a message. You can send also an emoji, send a voice message. You can send an image and so on. So right now, in order to send a gift message, it's pretty easy. All you need to do, guys, is type something like gift or surprise like this. And then once you do that, right here in the right, you're going to find this search icon. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here in effects, you're going to find some effects that you can use. So for example, I'm going to choose this gift effect. And as you can see, guys, this is how it looks like. So basically, guys, if you want to open the gift message, all you need to do, guys, is click on it. And then as you can see, guys, the gift will be open. You can also use some other effects. So for example, I'm going to click right here again. And as you can see, guys, there is a lot of gift or a lot of effects that you can use for your messages. So for example, I'm going to type something else, then search right here. And as you can see, guys, you can use any effect that's available right here. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.